Hello and welcome everyone. I know you're excited about this video. I'm Lloyd Saldana. I've been lucky to be in the real estate investment for the last 2 years, and today we have our very own founder and CEO of Real International, Ms. Lin Yuan. Lin, welcome.
Thank you, Lloyd. Happy to be here. Thank you for the opportunity talking through these exciting opportunities.
Before we get there, I want to address the elephant in the room. That is the real estate market, and especially the Austin real estate market. I want to hear your thoughts.
Austin market, just like any other market in the United States and around the globe, has been through some really tough times because the interest rate rise. But Austin also have a unique opportunities because the tech jobs, right? All the manufacturing, tech company, tech giant like Samsung, Tesla moving here, right? So this is a silver lining of Austin market. Keep our market as growing at a certain pace.
Right.
And also create a tremendous opportunity for investor to take advantage of that too.
Right. I'm already kind of assuming there's a lot of goodies in that bag. So why don't you tell us Harvest 2?
Yes.
Named after the success of Harvest 1.
Like you said, this is the second phase of our successful first project, Harvest 1. We're so excited to bring in here because it took us 6 months to cherry pick from all the opportunity within the market. And finally, we're ready to put together and show it to investors.
I still remember Harvest 1. I struggled to get into it. It closed so quickly. You guys raised so much.
Yes, in 2 weeks, we totally funded it.
I know.
Yeah, over 11 million.
Nice. So tell us more in detail. Like what does the portfolio look like? And give us some juicy numbers.
Harvest 2, you can think of it as a package of 3 projects in the portfolio. It's a combination of property with a strong cash flow, greater potential appreciation, and also tax benefits.
Okay.
So total 12 million, and we are looking at cash on cash 5 to 8% a year.
Okay.
17 to 25% of IRRs.
Oh, that's awesome. So let me get this right. So I'm going to double my money in 5 years?
If you do the rule of 72, right? You double your money every 5 years if your returns over 14%.
Oh, that is amazing. I'm analytical. So for me, I want to understand, okay, I understand that you have 3 different types of properties. Give me more details on that.
The first property we have in the portfolio, it's a 20 brand new homes from D.R. Horton. And we are getting incredible discount because this is more of a institutional level discount or bulk purchase. The saving is 20% compared to the retail value.
Oh, wow. What's the unit cost on this?
The unit cost we're acquiring is around $320,000.
Oh, that's amazing.
Because D.R. Horton is a large home builder,
Right.
they able to be more process efficient, cost effective, and now they pass the saving to our investors. Now, if I hire a local builder, they definitely build this way above this cost. So we are acquiring this property at below the replacement cost.
That's awesome.
The second one is called UBC. It's a stabilized industrial property in Austin.
It's the recent buzzword here in Austin. I mean, I know Samsung has big plans for us. Tesla is here. So I love that you're included in industrial here.
Absolutely. You hear the buzzword because all the manufacturing bring to US. So this property is over 100,000 square foot. And I personally invested in that property for the last 3 years.
Oh, wow. Okay.
It's near Tesla, Austin site, and near Austin airport. It was 100% occupied, and we were making over 10% cash on cash every year for the last 3 years.
Okay.
And we are taking more than 30% discount from existing GP when taking in a position per pursue with all the developer and GP in this deal. The third one, actually, we like to mix our harvest a portfolio with the land.
Wait, you got land?
Yes.
Nice.
1 acre site in East Austin, heart of East
Wait,
Austin.
what? You have land in Austin? Like, I'm like,
Near downtown Austin.
what kind of magic did you spin out here? Because it's so difficult to find land in the heart of Austin.
It is inventory so low. So this project, in fact, we spent the last 3 years to go through the zoning, entitlements, site permit. Now we got our site plan approved. We're going through a building permit. The reason we put this in this portfolio because in shorter term, we're able to build this and sell it and return the capital in a shorter term.
Right.
For the portfolio.
I'm trying to understand how is the portfolio mitigating my risk?
Very good point. Like Warren Buffett always say, when someone's scared, what do? You become a greedy.
Yeah.
Why is that? Because you gotta think through the opportunity, think through the risk, how you mitigate that. So what we did is think about something where really you can cash flow. The reason for cash flow is everything. Your business, my business, everyone's personal business, and the company, also investment. So we got to package the property that can cash flow from day one. Second is the growth potential. If you just say, I want to be safe, I put the money in the CD or bank, 4%, 5%, 6%, but you miss all the growth. We all want to double our money in 5 years. How could you do that?
Right.
You have to take on the risk, but the risk has to be mitigated.
Right.
That's why the land track we have, we remove the big chunk of risk, which is front-end zoning and development.
Right.
But you still got those vertical development, which give you enough desirable growth,
Right.
appreciation.
Right.
Third, we mentioned tax savings. Tax saving, surprisingly, lots of investors, what I notice, they all worry about how much money they make from it, how they can double their money, but they're not thinking in the back end. Your income tax, easily 20, 30%.
Right.
Capital gain, easily 20%.
Right.
Why don't you think about how you can save that? We go through, reinvest in this portfolio so you don't pay income tax at the front end.
Okay.
Second, IRS give investor best benefit. One of the best benefits, depreciation.
Right.
Take that,
Right.
right? So that's a 20% saving
Wow.
on long-term long-term capital gain perspective.
Right.
Third is 1031. It's highly regulated, but it's available for investors.
Right. Right.
So yeah,
Right.
that's how you reduce your risk too.
Give us an idea of what the timeline looks like in terms of when this is closed and how much investment has already come in.
At this point in time, we committed over $3 million, so it's 20% already before we take to the market.
That's impressive.
Our timeline, of course, is early July. People ask, what's the deadline here?
That is coming up quick.
Coming up quick.
I'm going to ask you this right away because I know you're trying to walk us through the process of raising the funds. But what if you can't raise that fund by July 5th?
Very good question. So we are managing 38 projects over 120 millions. My answer is, look, we spend more than half our time to underwrite all the deal. We probably pick 1 or 2 out of 100. Instead of worry about if we can get enough money, worry about the deal itself. We got a solid, like we mentioned, solid deal on the table. So let me ask you, look at this table. Do you think there's more good deal on the table or more money on the table?
Obviously money.
Always money, right? So money follow deals.
Absolutely. Especially good ones.
Special good ones.
Yeah.
And also financially, our company already closed the UBC deal with our own money.
Oh, wow. Okay.
It's already funded it.
Oh, interesting. So you've already locked up on these. Okay. So you're giving the opportunity to the investors to get on it.
Exactly.
Okay, got it.
Exactly.
Okay. So let's talk about the investors that want to be part of this project. How do they subscribe to this portfolio? What do they need to do and how they reach out to you?
All investors will go through the subscription process.
Yeah.
So contact us. We will send you the offer memorandum. And there's a link in there you can subscribe. And also feel free to reach out to us. Any questions? We're working on putting together FAQ, answer investors' questions on that too.
Right. So you heard it all. Again, reach out to Real International if you have more questions or you want more clarification or you just want to explore what else they do. But again, thank you so much, Lynn, for taking the time to kind of walk us through. It's been very informative. So thank you.
Yeah.
Lynn.
Thank you, Lloyd. And let's go harvest.
Yeah. Happy investing.
Happy investing.